An Israeli missile attack targeting the vicinity of Syria's capital Damascus killed 4 soldiers, wounded 4 more, and caused some material damage. Syrian state media reported early on Monday, citing a military source. Air defense systems in the Syrian capital were activated against the attacks. Explosions were also heard in the city, according to Syrian media. Syrian air defenses intercepted the Israeli missiles and shot down some of them. At about 2:20 in the morning today, the Israeli enemy launched an aerial aggression from the direction of the occupied Syrian Golan Heights, targeting some points in the vicinity of the city of Damascus, the military source said. The last attack in Syria took place 2.5 weeks ago, according to reports, when the IDF attacked 7 targets in Damascus using missiles from the Golan Heights. Among the targets were military depots, a truck parking lot, and an anti-aircraft battery. The Israeli strike was reportedly aimed at military sites near the town of Al-Damas. Israel has for years been carrying out attacks against what it has described as Iran-linked targets in Syria, where Iran's influence has grown since it began supporting President Bashar al-Assad in the civil war that started in 2011. While Israel rarely comments on the strikes it carries out in Syria, it has repeatedly said it will not allow its arch foe Iran to expand its footprint there. On July 19, Israeli airstrikes near Damascus killed 3 pro-government fighters and wounded 4 others, a war monitor said at the time. Syria's foreign ministry had condemned the attack in the strongest terms. Previous Israeli strikes have put both Damascus and Aleppo airports out of service. In late March and early April, Israel stepped up its strikes in Syria with 4 raids on government-held areas in less than a week, targeting positions of Syrian government forces and pro-Iran groups.